The Murrell Knot places the skinny end on the outside of the tie. It was invented in 1997 by a guy who thought traditional tie knots were boring and thought this would be an appropriate alternative. Sure, why not? All right, let's jump in. Place the tie around your neck with the skinny end lower than the wide end. Cross the skinny end over the top of the wide end to create a cross. Pull the skinny end up through the neck loop from underneath. Pass it down to your left side. Pass it behind the knot and pull towards your right. Fold it up through the neck loop. Pass it down to your right side. Cross it over the knot towards your left. Pull it up through the neck loop from underneath. Push it down through the loop you've created in the knot. Pull down the skinny end to tighten the knot. Slide the knot up towards your neck and adjust as needed. Well, you're looking mighty sleek over there, comrade. This is the perfect time to put on your power suit and close some deals at the boardroom. Go ahead, get going. For our full range of ties, check out OTAA.com. Now, smash that like and subscribe button, and thanks for watching.